Hey guys, well today I'm going to do some white flowers with glitter centers and glitter background, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing like I do ahead of time so that I can put the rest to music, okay? Alright, I'm going to mix this gorgeous rose gold holographic glitter with these glass chips. They're not quite the same color, but that's okay. I think that'll be pretty. Then I'm going to mix these two glitters. The what is this? Summer Night and blue-green holographic glitters with turquoise chips. Just for the centers. I'm not going to put the chips in the background, in the whole layer underneath the white flower. And I'm going to use feisty fuchsia with this little mix of pink and violet chips, glass chips from eBay. Then I'm going to do this, what is it, Mr. Green Jeans, and this green holographic glitter with little glass chips. But these are just for the center. I'm not putting the glass chips in the other layer that's going to go on top of this after the flowers are dry. The flowers will be a technique that's all over YouTube of using this CASTIN craft opaque pigment. Yeah, stupid fruit fly in here. This opaque pigment concentrate to make these flowers that look 3D. And I'm going to try it two different ways. I'm going to try it just mixed in the resin. Both will be mixed in the resin, but how I'm going to do it is crimp the edge of this cup and just pour it in little scallops. And then this one I'm going to put it in here and, you know, cut the tip off and do it kind of like frosting, you know, frosting a cake. Tip with a tip, you know. Okay, well, that's what I'm going to do today, and I will talk to you later. Hey guys, it's been about 4 hours and these are pretty hard now. Look at these petals. The front will be this side. Ooh, look at that. But look at these petals. Can you see them? This stuff is really weird. It doesn't dry. It gets on your hands, you get it on everything. So be careful, this stuff doesn't dry. Maybe after a day or two, I don't know, but it, you know, don't drip any. And it makes these weird, beautiful flowers, just scalloping it like that. This one I only did 2 rows, and it's actually better, because this one I did 3 for sure, and it's not as pretty. Okay, so you see that? Hold it still for a moment. It's like 3D. It's going to look a little different on the other side, I think, but oh my goodness. So pretty. So now I'm going to take these colors, mix them in an ounce of resin each, 1 little cup, and then cover the backs, you know, of each one with the respective colors, and let that dry for till like another 4 hours before I go to bed. Before I go to bed, I'm going to do another layer. I'll let this almost dry, you know, like this, and then I'll do a layer of this white on the backs of all 4 of them. So that's what I'm doing, and I should have 4 beautiful coasters when I get up in the morning, and I will put them at the end of this, okay? I told you I was going to put silver on the back, or white, the white glitter on the back of these, but they're so pretty. I just can't cover this up, and they're plenty thick enough, so. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. That's with 2 rows around of the scallops. But you can see the 3D effect here a little bit. Let's see what the other ones look like. I got these new coasters yesterday from Just For You online in the UK or something like that. I'll put the link below. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm in love with holographic glitter. Wow. Let's do the blue one last. Yeah. These colors go together in a pretty set, right? I think so. I'm hoping they're going to have a craft show here. This stupid pandemic garbage. Sorry. I'm trying not to talk about it because YouTube might remove my video. Anyway. That's pretty. That's that rose gold glitter. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. These flowers aren't turning out quite like I thought they would. But now let's look at the blue. What's this? They're pretty though, huh? Alright. Well, that's it for this one. What am I going to do next? Jeez, they're beautiful. This was someone else's idea. A couple other people on YouTube that are doing this. Just beautiful. I don't know who discovered this white stuff, but I thank you. It's on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Oh, subscribe and like. Please help me my channel. It'll help my channel. If you like my videos and you subscribe, YouTube will give my video out as suggestions to other people. The more you like it, you know. I've only got 16 subscribers. I'm sorry, but anyway. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.